It's a tan and a white patch that work together. And I went from not being able to move to lifting my arms both over my head. And I got the look like, what just happened here? I could not believe it. Now, I want to let you know that I'm a one patch wonder in that way. And so I want to let you know that not everybody's going to be that way. For every 10 years you've been on the planet, give it a month because chronic situations didn't happen overnight. It's going to take some time to do the repair. So do your body good, do your body a favor and say, I'm committed to giving this a go because we don't know where the deep repair in your body is going to go. Your liver might be going, come over here and help me. Or it might be your tissue, or it might be your brain might have fog. And it might be like, no, we got to go right here. So you may not feel it working, but as Dr. Andrea said, we know that this is working. And based on the research as well, we really know this is working. We're on PubMed, and PubMed it's globally renowned for having the best studies, and it's the most recognized in the world for credibility. And we have 3 studies that are on there.